Hello, it's Uncle Johnny. Today we are making halo halo. Ooh, delicious. Halo halo is especially delicious during the summertime. It makes you feel cool. Ice, shaved ice machine, Flan, ube ice cream, evaporated milk, red beans, coconut jelly, red and green, ube paste, sweet white beans, jackfruit. Now we're ready to put it all together. You can use a shaved ice machine or a blender. After blending the ice, add it in. Now add the flan. You can add any ice cream you like. I love ube. Ooh, wow! Now add milk. We're finished putting the halo halo together. Now we mix it. That is delicious. For the summertime, this makes you feel great. Now you know how to make halo halo. Thank you for watching. Definitely Sarap.